Morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. So, in the chapter Nutrition in Animals, today we are going to learn about digestion in stomach and small intestine. First, digestion in stomach. The stomach is J-shaped, thick-walled, bag-like structure present on the left side of abdomen, as you can see in the diagram. The food stays in stomach between few minutes to few hours. The inner wall of the stomach secretes gastric juices like hydrochloric acid and the enzymes like pepsin and mucus. The hydrochloric acid kills bacteria present in the food, and pepsin digests proteins. The mucus protects stomach from acidic effects of hydrochloric acid. And the inner lining of stomach is known as mucosa since it secretes mucus. Stomach muscles squeeze and mix the food with digestive juices. These juices break down proteins into amino acids. Food gets partially digested here, and food goes to small intestine where most of the digestion occurs. Digestion in a small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of alimentary canal, approximately 6 meters in length. However, it is called small intestines because of its size. It is smaller in size in comparison to large intestine, which is quite thick. The chyme, that is semi-digested food from stomach, comes to the intestine for further digestion. The juices from the liver and pancreas also mix with the intestinal juices. The diagram of small intestine is shown here. Now, what are liver and pancreas and what is their use? Liver is the largest gland in human body. It is on the right side of upper abdomen. Bile juice is released from liver is stored in a sac called gallbladder, as you can see in the diagram. Here you can see the picture of gallbladder. The bile juice is stored here. Bile juice digests fats, and this process is known as emulsification. Pancreas is located just below the stomach. Here is the pancreas. This yellow one structure behind the stomach is known as the pancreas. It secretes pancreatic juice. It digests starch into sugars and proteins into amino acids. So, in brief, the digestion in the small intestine. The last steps of digestion takes place in the small intestine. The muscles in the small intestine mix food with more digestive juices. Liver secretes bile juice stored in gallbladder. It converts fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. It converts starch into simple sugars and proteins into amino acids. So I hope my kids you have understood what we have studied today. So based on that, here is your homework. Thank you.